If you are looking for an easy way to create, send, and track business documents online, PandaDoc is one of the most popular solutions available. In this quick review, I will cover its main features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using. What is PandaDoc? PandaDoc is a document management and e-signature platform designed for businesses, freelancers, and sales teams. It helps users create proposals, contracts, quotes, and agreements, then send them for electronic signatures. Everything is managed from a single dashboard, making document workflows much faster. One of PandaDoc's biggest strengths is its document builder. You can create documents from scratch or use ready-made templates. Other notable features include legally binding electronic signatures, document tracking and analytics, content library for reusable sections, automated approval workflows, payment collection through supported integrations, integrations with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Google Drive, and Zapier. Pros: user-friendly interface, excellent template library, powerful e-signature functionality, real-time document tracking, strong integration ecosystem, saves time by automating document workflows. Cons: advanced features require higher priced plans, can feel overwhelming for very small teams. Some integrations are only available on premium plans. Pricing: PandaDoc offers a free e-signature plan with basic functionality. Paid plans unlock advanced document automation, analytics, workflow tools, and CRM integrations. Final verdict: overall, PandaDoc is an excellent choice for businesses that regularly send proposals, contracts, and agreements. Its combination of document creation, e-signatures, automation, and tracking makes it a powerful all-in-one solution. If you only need basic e-signatures, the free plan may be enough. But for growing teams and sales-driven businesses, the paid plans can provide significant productivity benefits. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to support us with like and subscribe for more software reviews. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new video.